Hey there, fellow learners and self-improvement enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to drop some wisdom bombs on you about investing in yourself for success. You've probably heard this phrase a million times. Invest in yourself, it pays the best dividends. But what does it really mean? Stick around because we're breaking it all down for you today. First things first, let's talk about the misconception that you need to drop thousands of dollars on gurus to become the best version of yourself. Well, guess what? We've sifted through all that guru advice, cut out the fluff, and created our own list of the real ways to invest in yourself and change your life for the better. 1. Invest in self-improvement. The foundation of success often lies in your willingness to invest in yourself. While it's not uncommon for people to spend substantial amounts seeking guidance from self-proclaimed gurus, there's an alternative approach that doesn't necessitate draining your finances. Here, we're on a mission to share practical, actionable insights that won't break the bank. Our goal is to empower you to take charge of your personal growth journey, providing you with the tools and knowledge to thrive without the hefty price tag. 2. Read for growth. Reading, a seemingly simple act, possesses the remarkable power to transform lives. It's not merely a matter of perusing textbooks or enduring tiresome homework assignments from the past. Instead, it's about embarking on a captivating journey of personal development through the written word. If physical books fail to ignite your enthusiasm, don't worry, we've got a solution. Through our partnership with Audible, you can indulge in the world of literature by listening to books narrated directly to you. Whether you're commuting or hitting the gym, you can maximize your time and immerse yourself in a world of knowledge, all without turning a single page. 3. Diverse conversations. Genuine growth demands breaking free from the constraints of your own ideological bubble. It necessitates engaging in meaningful conversations with individuals from diverse backgrounds and viewpoints. These interactions offer invaluable insights and perspectives that can challenge your existing beliefs, fostering personal development. Moreover, within this eclectic mix of connections, you may discover mentors who can illuminate your path and guide you towards self-improvement. By embracing diverse conversations, you open yourself up to a world of ideas and opportunities that can reshape your journey toward becoming the best version of yourself. 4. Quality friendships. Your social network is more than a mere web of acquaintances. It's your emotional anchor and your professional safety net. It's a notion we've emphasized time and again. The quality of your connections carries more weight than the quantity. Cultivating deep, meaningful friendships is akin to an investment, one that often requires your time and, at times, your resources. These bonds contribute significantly to your personal development, offering support, insights, and shared experiences that enrich your life's tapestry. In your pursuit of self-improvement, don't overlook the significance of nurturing these essential relationships. They are an integral part of your journey. 5. Travel broadens horizons. The transformative power of travel is a secret known to those who have ventured beyond their comfort zones. Travel is not just a change of scenery, it's an exploration of new cultures, perspectives, and ways of life. It's an immersive experience that can broaden your horizons in ways you never imagined. Even in challenging times, like the ongoing pandemic, prioritizing travel, especially to less frequented destinations, can be a significant catalyst for personal growth. These journeys allow you to unravel the world's mysteries while simultaneously gaining insights into your own identity and aspirations. By embracing travel as a means of self-discovery, you embark on a remarkable path of personal development, expanding your understanding of the world and your place within it. 6. Acquire new skills. Learning new skills is akin to collecting valuable tools that can enhance the potential outcomes of your life. These skills act as powerful tools, enhancing the potential outcomes of your life. They are akin to valuable assets that you can put to work in various areas of your life. The key here is to focus on mastering fundamental skills rather than chasing after the latest flashy techniques. By building a solid foundation of essential abilities, you equip yourself with a versatile toolkit that can significantly impact your personal development journey. These skills, once acquired, become a lifelong resource, empowering you to navigate the complexities of life with greater confidence and competence. 7. Invest in education. It's crucial to recognize that investing in education is, in fact, an investment in yourself. Education isn't limited to formal schooling. It extends to courses, books, and self-improvement materials. These resources are not expenses, but rather assets that can yield substantial returns in the form of personal growth and knowledge. It's important to understand that a single idea gleaned from a course or a book can potentially generate substantial financial gains in the long run. If you find yourself hesitating to invest in these resources because of their perceived cost, it may indicate that you haven't fully grasped the concept of return on investment, ROI, for yourself. These educational investments are like seeds you plant, and with time, they can grow into trees of wisdom, shading you from life's uncertainties. 8. Prioritize health. Health is an invaluable investment, often overlooked in youth. It's imperative to realize that our actions today can impact our health in the future. Understanding the principles of nutrition, sleep, and the profound difference between operating at 95% brain capacity versus relying on caffeine-fueled late nights is vital. It's more than just a matter of physical health. It affects your mental and emotional well-being too. By dedicating both time and resources to learning about nutrition, exercise, and general well-being, you can reap the myriad benefits of a healthy lifestyle. This investment in yourself translates into a higher quality of life, enabling you to enjoy your journey toward personal growth to the fullest. 9. Practice selling. Selling isn't just about transactions. It's a fundamental skill that can accelerate your personal growth. The act of selling requires a combination of talents, including identifying what to sell, understanding your target audience, effective communication, and ultimately closing deals. These skills transcend the realm of commerce and can be applied to various facets of life. Whether you're selling a product, an idea, or even your abilities in a job interview, the principles remain the same. As you practice selling, you develop resilience, persuasive abilities, and a deeper understanding of human psychology. These attributes not only enhance your professional life, but also empower you to navigate personal relationships and negotiations with greater finesse. 10. Organize your space. The state of your physical and digital environments profoundly influences your productivity and well-being. A well-organized space enables you to accomplish more efficiently and, in turn, enhances your overall satisfaction with life. This principle extends beyond minimalism. It's about bringing order to the chaos that often surrounds us Begin by optimizing your immediate surroundings and gradually expand this principle to create harmony in your larger environment. It's a process that extends beyond your physical spaces. It cultivates a sense of control and calm that permeates other areas of your life. By investing effort in creating an organized environment, you set the stage for greater productivity, creativity, and personal growth. 11. Teach others. Teaching is a powerful tool for personal development. It compels you to not only understand a subject deeply, but also convey it in a way that others can comprehend and apply. In contrast to the rote memorization often associated with traditional education, teaching encourages understanding and mastery. When you teach someone else, you reinforce your own knowledge and solidify the information in your memory. This process fosters your ability to articulate complex ideas, which can be invaluable in various aspects of life, from career advancement to personal relationships. Teaching is a reciprocal gift. As you impart knowledge to others, you gain new perspectives, refine your communication skills, and further your own growth in the process. 12. Invest wisely. Investing wisely isn't just about growing your wealth, it's about creating financial independence. While you may earn money through a high-paying job or a diligent business, true wealth stems from income sources beyond your immediate efforts. It's an epiphany that often comes later in life, understanding that you can invest your money to earn more money. The key is to generate secondary income streams that aren't solely reliant on your active participation. Once you achieve this, your life undergoes a profound transformation. Financial stress diminishes, and you gain the freedom to pursue your passions and interests without financial constraints. The critical aspect is ensuring that these income streams are self-sustaining, so you don't trade one job for another. Consider this as a strategy to free yourself from the perpetual cycle of working for money and, instead, making money work for you. 13. Online presence matters. In today's interconnected world, your online presence significantly influences the opportunities that come your way. Social media profiles, for instance, often serve as the modern-day first impression. Whether you like it or not, people will judge you based on your online persona. Therefore, it's essential to curate your online presence thoughtfully. Clean up your social media, ensuring that your digital footprint aligns with the image you want to project. Additionally, invest time in personal grooming and take steps to enhance your online image. These efforts can attract opportunities you might not have otherwise encountered. As you take better care of your online identity and physical appearance, you set the stage for a more successful and fulfilling life. 14. Appreciate art. Art holds immense value that often goes underestimated. It's not merely about overpriced paintings or fleeting glances at sculptures and architecture. Art is a vehicle for creativity, and engaging with it exercises your own creative muscle. Think of it as illuminating a room. The more you expose yourself to various forms of art, the brighter your own creativity shines. You connect ideas differently, you see the world from unique perspectives, and you learn to appreciate beauty in diverse forms. Beyond family, art and aesthetics often serve as sources of inspiration and rejuvenation. Cultivating a habit of embracing art and creativity in all its forms enriches your life and fosters personal growth. It broadens your horizons, encourages innovative thinking, and contributes to your overall well-being. 15. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is a multifaceted investment. Beyond its immediate marketplace value, which can lead to better job prospects and lucrative deals, language acquisition offers numerous cognitive and cultural advantages. When you embark on the journey of learning a new language, you're not just acquiring a set of linguistic skills, you're immersing yourself in a new culture and thought system. You gain insight into diverse ways of thinking, learn alternative structures of communication, and develop a global perspective. Moreover, your expanded language repertoire enhances your personal and professional relationships. Imagine the satisfaction of confidently ordering a meal in a foreign country or engaging in a conversation with friends from different linguistic backgrounds. Learning a new language brings a profound sense of accomplishment and contributes significantly to your personal growth by broadening your horizons and connecting you with diverse communities. Remember, investing in yourself is not a one-time endeavor. It's a lifelong commitment to personal growth and improvement. Whether it's through reading, diverse conversations, or nurturing quality friendships, each step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. The path to success and fulfillment is paved with continuous learning, adaptability, and an open mind. So, take these principles to heart and embark on your own unique journey towards self-improvement. And if you've resonated with what we've shared here, please do like, subscribe, and share this video with those who could also benefit. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back again tomorrow.